Namaskar, welcome in Astronaut YouTube channel. So here I am just discussing about Jupiter transition in Capricorn. And we must know Jupiter is going to transit in Capricorn sign, and where he may conjunct with Saturn in 20 November 2020. This is beneficial for some of the people. Okay, so here just we all know that Jupiter is the symbol of all kind of religious thing, teaching professions, some of the upper class people. Jupiter transition will really affect the universe, as last time Jupiter moved in Capricorn in 30 March 2020, and after that Jupiter retrograde in Sagittarius on 30 June 2020. So here we may think there are a lot of changes which happen in the universe during the time of transition, and let's we may hope some changes in this time as well. So this will of course change the life of some people. Okay, so there are a lot of people who will get benefit for this. These many people will bear some of the loss. Okay, so there are a lot of things which denote by the Jupiter as happiness, satisfaction, peace. These are the things which denotes by the Jupiter. So Jupiter affects these all things. Okay, so here just it's conjunct with Saturn. So and in Capricorn sign, if we all know Capricorn sign, this is the own sign of Saturn, and here Jupiter is tabulated. So let's discuss about these all things. We are predicting on the basis of Lagna and Rashis. So people who have Aries sign, so Jupiter is 9th and 12th house lord of the 9th and 12th house. So moving to 9th to 10th house, this will benefit the people. Okay, if somebody want to go in foreign destination or for work or looking job in foreign location or abroad or any other or any destination which is far from their home, so this will really benefited them, because the transit of Jupiter Capricorn sign, so it's really benefited the people, and also this will also benefited the education from foreign country or far from their home, but till now they didn't get opportunity to go somewhere or some of these destinations. So right now Jupiter will provide opportunity to all of them. Just we move to Taurus sign. So here Jupiter is the lord of 8th and 11th house. So as we all know, 8th house related to your person's death, age, and also these houses related to the research work or any kind of scientific study or occult science are related to 8th house. So here Jupiter will improve their results. So this is benefited to these people because it's a lord of 8th and 11th house and moving to the 9th house. So this will benefited their result. They will get good education. They'll provide good education to these fellows, and also this will affect the life of especially the people who want to choose the profession of medical, engineering or related to that, and also this include law profession as well, who want to make their career. So they will get benefit from that, and they are able to enroll themselves or gain knowledge, or if they want to take admission in such kind of courses or colleges, they will get benefit from that. So Gemini sign is ruled by Mercury. So here for Gemini, the Jupiter is the lord of 7th and 10th house, and Jupiter is moving from 7th 8th house. So here you will get mixed results. They will get good results in case of profession of if these fellows want to start their business, they will increase their business. Okay, they will increase their business or able to get investors for that. Other than in case of, this is also benefited in case of marriage. The people who want to marry but who are single till that time but want to marry, this will provide benefit to them. Okay, they tie a knot in that time duration. Okay, so they will benefit many things, and this is also good for career, and somebody want to start their business, and for job seekers they will get a good opportunity in that time frame. And next is Cancer. Let's discuss about Jupiter transition in Cancer. In Cancer is the sign where Jupiter is exalted. Okay, so in that sign Jupiter is the lord of 6th and 9th house, and they will transit, and Jupiter is transiting is 7th house, and in debilitated form. So this will provide some good and some bad results. You can say mixed results, but most probably most of the results are bad. First, let's discuss about what are good. Good is that if some person belongs from Cancer who is suffering from some diseases, some long-term diseases, this is the opportunity for them. They will get relief from that diseases as well. And who are working somewhere, so this time they will get some form of recognition there. Okay, not as much good, but yes, some form of good recognition here. But this is what bad in that. This will increase your expenses. If somebody wants to take loans, so this will create some problem in that. And the person will, but if a person want to get loan, they will get loan, but after some issues are also there. Okay, so the other thing is that you have to face your competitor as well. So this time you will face tough competition, or this will increase your enemies. Okay, enemies, especially hidden enemies are also there. So you try to take serious your medical issue, because this time is not good for medical issues. Yes, this will decrease your long-term disease, but they may increase new disease as well. So just for Cancer, this transition is not good for you. So for Leo, Jupiter is the lord of 5th and 8th house, which is moving to 6th house. So this time frame is good for all those who are working as a researcher, as a scholar, or just want to make their career in education, engineering, medical, and any profession related to research or related to scientific study. This is very, very good for them, because this will provide you opportunity to work somewhere, and also this is very good for learning as well. The people who are looking to change their job, this is also a good transition for them. Okay, so this transition will benefit, but not as much good, but not a good level job. It's just average level job, 3 level, upper level, middle level, and lower level. So this will benefit partially lower level and middle level. So if you want upper level job, you have such kind of transition along with a good dasha as well. Okay, so next is Virgo. So here Virgo is a sign which is ruled by Mercury. So here Jupiter is a significator of 4th and 7th house, which is moving to 5th house. So this transition is very good for these people and who want to marry somewhere, but is not able to marry because of some financial issue, some personal issue, or any kind of thing. So this transition is very good for them. And another thing is that these transition provide benefit to all of them who are married but didn't have their kid as well. So this is very good transition for childbirth as well. The people who belongs from Virgo will get benefit from the Jupiter. So this is very good time for them. And in personal issue, especially this will benefit in your personal issue. In personal issue, you have some barriers, or you have some disputes with someone, your family. So you will so these disputes will resolve that time. And if somebody wants their job, or just to commence their business in nearby their home, and want their family life, so they will of course do it. So let's move to Libra. So here Libra is a sign which is ruled by Venus. So as we all know, Venus and Jupiter are opposite in nature. So here the Jupiter is a significator of 3rd and 6th house, which is moving on 4th house. So here this is good for the people who are working somewhere and have a job like networking, marketing, and these kind of job, because this sign will increase your network. But this is not good for your health as well, because this will increase your diseases as well. Okay, so you must take care of yourself and do the work as per your limit as well. Okay, so this will increase your health, and you may feel some kind of family issue as well, because the Jupiter is not favorable for that Rashi or that sign as well. So but it will provide you benefit in your job if you want to travel somewhere, so that they will provide short journey as well. Okay, and you will perform good in your job okay, but especially related to marketing, networking, these kind of job where you have to travel. If somebody having a traveling job, just like working tourism industry, travel industry, so it's good for them. Let's discuss about the zodiac sign Scorpio. So here Scorpio is ruled by planet Mars, so which is a friend of Jupiter, so which increase the person's education. This will provide you opportunity to increase your education and yes, to improve your personal life as well. The people who want a childbirth, so they will blessed by the Jupiter, and it is possible that a baby is born in your house. And there is also possibility students who want to gain good education, they will get good education as well. And some people who want to make their career in finance sector, so this conjunction is benefited to them, okay, financial sector, and especially those people who want to gain some good education, these will also benefited to them. Education especially related to the engineering, maintenance, and some engineering, medical, and any other fitted to the, if you want to make your career in teaching, engineering, education, so you are blessed by the planet Jupiter. And it is also blessed those spiritual teachers as well, because Jupiter is a symbol of a spiritual teacher as well. Okay, so this conjunction is good for, and this will improve your personal life and somehow professional life, but more than professional life, it is good for your personal life. So let's move to another sign, which is Sagittarius. For Sagittarius, as Jupiter is the lord of your first and fourth house, so this will improve your personal relation with family and provide a time to improve your relations with others as well. And this will also benefited you to provide an opportunity to increase your wealth as well. Yes, this will increase your finances. The people who are working in banks or some financial institution, they are really benefited by the planet Jupiter. As Sagittarius is own sign of Jupiter, so they will face a lot of changes in their life, and this is really a good conjunction for people who are related to Sagittarius as well. Okay, so let's discuss about another sign, which is Capricorn. So here, as we all know, this transition is taking place in Capricorn sign. So here you may find somehow most of the result related to Capricorn sign, because here Jupiter and Saturn are in conjunction in these sign as well. So this will affect the life of the people who are from the zodiac sign Capricorn. What changes they will face? The people who want to travel abroad or just want to move for their business or job, or want job in another location, they will get benefit from that. They will get opportunity from a foreign destination or from another city. Okay, so these benefited to them. And another thing is that this will provide you short-term travel as well. The people who are staying in their home but want job in another city, so this will is good for them. You will travel during this conjunction. Either you are working somewhere nearby your home, but you get job in another city and you have to travel. During this conjunction, you have to travel. You should ready for travel as well. And this conjunction is in the first house of this house, and Jupiter signifies third and 12th house as well. So you have to travel. Also, this will increase some of the expenses. Okay, some of the expenses related to the network, related to communication as well, will provide benefit from communication, or you will get a job related to the communication and networking as well. Even if you are working somewhere, if your business is whatever your business, but you will have to communicate, you will have to travel, but this conjunction is totally related to that. So this is obviously somehow good for Capricorn sign, because yes, this will able to increase your wealth as well. Maybe it is possible you may purchase some assets during that conjunction as well. So let's discuss about another sign, which is Aquarius. So here Aquarius is sign ruled by Saturn. Okay, so here Jupiter signifies second and 11th house, so it's good for Aquarius and located in 12th house. So it's good for these people who want to go abroad. This is good for them. go abroad or want to work abroad, or especially for those people who want their increase their business, who have export business related to import export. This conjunction is very good for them, and these also signify success in them. And the people who are from financial sector maybe invest in foreign country or another destination as well. This will benefit the people who related to financial sector as well. The people who are working in somehow management, these will increase their revenue, okay, through foreign investment as well. And people who are working, this will provide a good opportunity in out of their home or in foreign destination as well. So this transaction is good for Aquarius. And at last, just we may discuss about Pisces. So Pisces is own sign of Jupiter. So here Jupiter is a lot of first and 10th house and moving 11. So it's very good time for Pisces. The people who have Pisces sign, it's very good time for that. Especially some students who belongs from Pisces didn't get a job, this is very good opportunity. And for people who are working somewhere, so this will provide opportunity to promote. Okay, they will really expect a promotion in their job. And this will provide a very good opportunity which increase their revenue as well, okay, increase their position, and obviously they will provide some authority as well. Okay, the people who are just doing business, so this will provide opportunity to expand their business and also provide a good designation. This transition is very good for Pisces in form of their business or their job. Okay, and in personal life it's just okay, it's not as much good, but it's okay, but it's very good for your business and your career as well. That's it now. That's all about the Jupiter transition in Capricorn sign, which will take place on 20 November 2020 to 5 April 2021. So thank you for watching. Just like, share and comment this video. Thank you so much. Namaskar.